Welcome to Voice of Focus. Put on your headphones. Take a deep breath. Today we will improve your English and your focus. Let's begin. Every morning, Daniel wakes up at 6 o'clock. His alarm rings softly. He opens his eyes slowly. He feels tired. His body feels heavy. For a moment, he wants to stay in bed. He thinks, maybe 5 more minutes. But he knows something important. 5 minutes becomes 10. 10 minutes becomes 20. And then the whole morning feels rushed. So he sits up. He takes a deep breath. The room is quiet. The air feels cool. He walks to the window and opens the curtain. Soft sunlight enters the room. The sky is light blue. The world looks calm. Daniel smiles a little. He says quietly, "This is a new day." Daniel goes to the bathroom. He washes his face with cold water. The cold water wakes him up. He looks at himself in the mirror. He does not see a perfect person. He sees a normal person, a person who wants to improve. He brushes his teeth slowly. He thinks about his goals. Not big goals, not impossible dreams, just small steps. He wants to improve his English. He wants to become more confident. He wants to stay focused. After that, he changes his clothes. He wears a simple blue hoodie. He feels comfortable. He feels ready. Daniel leaves his house. The morning air feels fresh. He walks to a small park near his home. The park is quiet. Birds are singing softly. The trees move gently with the wind. He sees an old man sitting on a bench. The old man is reading a newspaper. He looks peaceful. Daniel wonders about his life. Maybe he worked very hard. Maybe he learned many lessons. Not far away, a young woman is jogging. She runs slowly but confidently. Her face shows determination. Daniel thinks, everyone is working on something. He continues walking. Near the playground, 2 children are run. They run after a red ball. They are happy. They are free. Daniel feels warm inside. Life is simple in this moment. After 20 minutes, Daniel sits on a bench. He closes his eyes. He listens to the wind. He listens to the birds. He listens to his breathing. He feels thankful. Focus is not loud. Focus is quiet. Discipline is not dramatic. It is small daily action. He opens his eyes again. The sun is a little higher now. The world feels awake. Daniel returns home. He prepares a simple breakfast. He cooks eggs. He makes toast. He pours a cup of coffee. The smell is warm and comforting. He sits at the table. He eats slowly. He does not rush. While eating, he thinks about his plan. Today, he will study English for 30 minutes. He will practice listening. He will practice speaking. He will not be perfect, but he will improve. Small progress is still progress. After breakfast, Daniel opens his laptop. He plays an English listening lesson. At first, he does not understand everything. Some words are difficult. Some sentences are fast. But he does not stop. He listens again and again. Slowly, he understands more. He repeats the sentences. He practices pronunciation. He feels a little shy, but he continues. Confidence grows with practice, not with waiting. Later that day, Daniel goes to a small store. The cashier speaks English. Daniel feels nervous. His heart beats faster. He wants to speak, but he is afraid of mistakes. Then he remembers his morning. He remembers his breathing. He remembers his focus. So he speaks. His English is not perfect, but it is clear. The cashier smiles. Daniel feels proud. It is a small moment, but it is important. That evening, Daniel thinks about his day. Nothing dramatic happened, nothing exciting, but something changed. He showed up. He practiced. He stayed focused. And that is the real power. Success does not come from one big action. It comes from small daily habits, one day at a time. Now think about your own day. Do you wake up with purpose? Do you practice something daily? Do you choose discipline over comfort? Remember this: you do not need a perfect day. You need a consistent day. Small habits create big change. Take a deep breath. You are improving. Keep going. Focus. Learn. Rise.